friend of mine is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this DOOGEE device. Firstly, select an app like Play Store and click on this left button. Now click on the icon of an app, select split screen, and tap on the other one, like settings. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you were to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging one of your apps upwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!